Hey everyone, so in this video, I want to be talking about a specific AI agent that I believe is largely under the radar right now that is not getting much attention at all. And in fact, I believe that this AI agent is going to outperform and make bigger gains than either virtual protocol or a lot of the AI agents within the virtual protocol ecosystem. So let's go and find out exactly what that AI agent is. So right now we are on the Virtuals Protocol website, and if we click on AI agents, we'll see this tab open up here. We'll list all the AI agents. So right here, the AI agents are separated into several tabs here, and we can see that we are in the sentient agents tab. And some very notable names that you've probably seen when you watch other YouTube channels that cover AI agents. There's Vader AI, for example. There's Alkalite. Luna's a very popular AI agent. And also you have AI XBT as AI agents. But, those get talked about tons and tons of tons. So today I want to be talking about Game. So Game right here is, let's actually see what Game is. So first of all, Game is by Virtual. So that's the number one catalyst and bullish news that it has going for it, is that Game is actually part of the foundational infrastructure of virtual protocol. So right here, if we see what Games is, we can see that Game is a modular agentic framework that enables an agent to plan actions and make decisions autonomously based on the information provided to it. Game is a decision-making engine built on foundation models and can be used to power agents in different environments and platforms. Given an agent's goal, personality, relevant information, and available actions and functions, Game does the thinking and processing and outputs an action to execute. So this part right here is very, very critical, because what it does, it acts as a framework where agents can actually act on the information that is provided to it. So it's actually such a critical part of the virtuals ecosystem that it's included in the framework resource section right here, where developers can go and find more information about it. And you can see Game right here, which is described as an agentic framework for agent commerce. So this part being, Game being such a fundamental part of the virtuals ecosystem, but also being able to make AI agents actionable. I think that's the key word here, is able to not only understand the data that it feeds it, but also be able to utilize it in a way now where it gives those AI agents purpose, and they're able to execute the tasks that they're designed to do. So right now, if we look at the chart and information related to Game, we can see that its price right now is sitting at about $50 million. Let's actually go to CoinGecko here. We can see it, the price action a little bit better here. So right now, sitting about 4 cents. Market cap is here, says 47 million. Also, it's all its tokens are in circulation, so you don't have to worry about dilution or keeping track of the vesting schedule. But one very unique thing that it has going for it, if you actually look at the number of holders it has such a huge number of holders. It has 273,000 holders. So for a project like this with a market cap of 50 million, that's a huge number of holders. And if we look at its all-time high, it reached about close to 400 million back in December of 2024, so just a few months ago. And that's the time where with the Trump inauguration and all that stuff, and crypto was absolutely going bananas. And also you had the rise of AI and AI agents, and all the attention was in the AI sector at that time. So you saw this parabolic rise, and of course, the market kind of flattened out since then. But there's a very, very good chance, in my opinion, that Game will do very, very well, because it's such an important infrastructural part of the virtuals ecosystem, and as well as the framework that every AI agent is going to need to use in order to make that AI agent actionable. And I just want to top this thing off with one of my favorite projects is CookieDAO. So one thing that really caught my eye, and I'm going to create another video on CookieDAO to let you know what are my currently thoughts on CookieDAO and whether I'm still bullish or not on it, is that when you go back to the description right here, And it says that this that game enables an agent to plan actions and make decisions autonomously based on the information provided to it. So this is the key word is based on the information provided to it. Where do you think all that data and information is going to come from? It's going to come from CookieDAO, because CookieDAO will be the main indexer and organizer of all data. So making sure that these AI agents have the correct information fed to an organized way is going to be key to making these AI agents as efficient as possible. So once again, I just want to throw that in there that CookieDAO plays a huge role in all of this as well, and I'll create a separate video on that. But games by virtual, I think this is a sleeping giant right now, and it's going to be absolutely huge during the bull run.